Whew. It is 12:23. Brandon wanted to wake up at 8, but I slept it. I think he's downstairs getting a haircut right now. I want to try this. How does this open? Like that. Whoa! How cool, I can see myself. We're gonna go see what he's doing. Good morning, everybody. Hi, Pico. Hi, Pico.
You recording? It's not. What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Brandon that comes to you guys with a brand new video. And today we got another part, but it's not for the Type R. It's for the Accord, for Toby. If you guys didn't know, she named her car Toby. So everyone, meet Toby and welcome Toby to the channel. We got a little intake for her. Kaboom! Got a little intake here. We got PRLs, the high volume intake. Don't really see these too much on YouTube, but we're here to install it on Mr. Toby. So we're gonna install that. But let's see. First of all, we're gonna see what's in the box.
Look at my address, guys. Come down here with me. Cheese! Bubble wrap. That's 15 horsepower. That's 15 horsepower. That's 30 horsepower, guys. Bubble wrap. Map. This thing. Oh, how'd you get in there? Oh, she a little wonky, guys. And this stuff, and the little clampers, and that stuff.
Is that really?
Yeah.
So it should be, I mean, hopefully it's somewhat similar to the Type R. Obviously this is the 2.0, so it's the same motor as the Type R, but hopefully the install is just as easy. So you're probably asking yourself, hey, do you actually know how to do this? No, we're gonna figure it out. Why came with instructions? Here's the code instructions. So we'll probably have to figure it out as we go. But I don't think it should be too hard. We should be able to get this.
We got it.
Alright, so first thing you want to do, disconnect the battery. And we got that out. Pretty much what you have to do, just like the Type R. I mean, you have to take this whole coning off, this off, that off, this off, this off.
Do you still have the pipe holes or?
Probably just a screwdriver. Broke the first clip on the car. So once you get all the clips on, once you break them, because they're piece of junk clips, what are we looking at?
Pull that down.
Looks pretty easy. 10, 10. I think that's the only two. Probably that one right there, 10. Okay, so once you get that one off, get these out. Just take it there. Gotta get that off. How did we get that off last time? That's not right. So pretty much you take this whole piece off here with these two little clips. Take the 10s off. Let me see. Where's the 10 that I had? Okay, so we finally got the airbox out. It's easier if you take the ECU out. We figured it out the hard way, but it's easier if you take it out. Where's it at? You can see it right there. Yeah, just trust me, it's a lot easier if you take it out. But now we just gotta put the PRL one back in. That looks stupid, I got a GoPro on my head, but we just gotta put the PRL one in and that's it, ready to go. So we put the filter in there, then we put the screws on it, now we're putting the cap on it to put it into the car. Very simply, wimply.
You need the rubber boot, don't I?
Yep. So we got on here. I'm tired, guys. Let me tell you about something about this shit. Oh, the ladybug! Dagger Productions is tired. He is dumb tired. He don't want to do nothing else.
Should I put this on first or everything else on?
Huh?
Should I just push this on before?
Okay, about an hour and a half later and 3 missing bolts, we finally got it on. So we got this part on, we just gotta pretty much put the silicone back on there, which is pretty easy. Same thing with the Type R, you have to take this piece off right here, so you gotta take this off. It's gonna be hard, but trust me, just do it. So all you gotta pretty much do is use a flathead here, and it should just come right off. So we finally figured it out. We should do the same mechanism or the same strategy we did for the Type R. Before you put the box in, make sure you guys put this onto the box first. 10 times easier that way. So now we finally got what we need going. We're putting the final pieces on, and then we'll be good to go. Like I said, this is the high volume intake, which is the same exact one as the I have on the Type R. So hopefully it sounds just as good too, because the Type R one sounds really good. Okay, so we got it back on now. Now we're giving it a little sound test for y'alls. We're gonna talk about that. Go for it.
We got a full tank of gas. Is it you can small one?
You hear it?
No.
I heard it.
I wish it was thick.
Ready? Ready. Go.
I'll race him.
Okay. Huh?
My tires went a little spinny.
It's just.
A little spin.
What are your thoughts on your intake?
I like it.
My initial thoughts, I thought it was honestly going to be a lot louder than what it was.
Yeah.
But I guess if you probably have a manual, probably sure it's a little bit better. But I just wish it was more louder. But I guess maybe it's because it's an automatic. Maybe it sounds like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not like super loud like the Type R is. It's just sounds like it's just recirculating, which it is technically. So I don't know. Cord is mainly going to be for looks. We just wanted the intake, or she wanted the intake, so I just bought it for her. But I mean, this thing's pretty much gonna get like bagged. It's gonna have nice wheels on. I mean, we're gonna do some good stuff to this car. We're not going for power. We're going for the looks. We're going for the looks. So Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see the car bagged, I've never installed bags before. Probably won't be me doing it, but maybe we'll get bags next. We'll see. Let's see what she wants to do. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, it's not too, you know, not really much of a big video, but let me know what you guys are ready for. See for the Type R. Coilovers are on the way, so you guys are ready for the car to be lowered. Trust me, I am too. I've been waiting on it. So if you guys are ready for that, just be ready. She's gonna be fire. Let me know what exhaust I should get for the Type R too. I'm kind of stuck between a couple ones, but I think I want to go Greddy again. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Greddy non-resonated. That's where I'm at. But like I said, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I should get, what exhaust I should get. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. See you guys next time. Dab. Peace.